Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best new car kit is probably one of the most essential purchases a new car owner can make, offering a comprehensive collection of tools and supplies designed to handle unexpected situations on the road, from minor repairs to emergency preparedness, ensuring peace of mind and a safer driving experience for everyone. Number 5. ThisWorx Handheld Car Vacuum 16-foot cord. Introducing a powerful handheld vacuum designed for your car. It's lightweight and easy to use, making cleaning up messes a breeze. This device is built to handle everyday messes like sand, dirt, and even pet hair. Its strong suction power ensures no crumb is left behind. With its ergonomic design and powerful motor, it effectively cleans hard-to-reach areas. It even features a washable HEPA filter for cleaner air. This comes with everything you need for a thorough interior clean. It includes multiple attachments for detailing, a storage bag, and spare filters. Never worry about a dead battery again. It conveniently plugs into your car's 12V outlet, and the long cord provides ample reach for all your cleaning needs. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient way to tackle everyday messes in your car, this is it. Its lightweight design and long cord make it easy to reach every nook and cranny. You should consider this if you frequently deal with crumbs, dust, or pet hair and want a quick and effective cleanup solution. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a basic car maintenance. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The carrying case is durable and keeps everything organized. Number 4. ThisWorx Interior Car Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Tired of interior cleaners that don't cut it? Our concentrated formula effortlessly removes embedded dirt, oil, grease, and even the toughest stains. Minimal effort is all it takes to lift set-in spills and ground-in dirt. This versatile cleaner works wonders on leather, upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and more. From back seat spills to steering wheel grease, it handles most of your interior cleaning needs without needing multiple products. Unlike other cleaners, ours leaves no sticky film or greasy feel behind. It lifts the mess and provides a truly clean finish on dashboards, trim, and leather, without a second wipe down. Simply spray, agitate with a microfiber towel, and wipe off. The no-rinse formula means no water and less cleanup, allowing you to finish most jobs in a single pass. This 18-ounce kit includes our Professional Series microfiber towel, offering great value. A little goes a long way, ensuring you can clean more and buy less. We're so confident you'll love it, it's backed by our zero-risk policy. What we like. For those who want a single solution for all interior cleaning needs, this product shines. It effectively removes tough stains from various materials without leaving any sticky residue. If you're tired of juggling multiple cleaning products and want a clean, fresh interior with minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools for basic car maintenance. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The compact carrying case makes it convenient to store in the car. Number 3. Armor All Ultimate Premier 8-Piece Car Care Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Premier Car Care Kit, your all-in-one solution for a spotless vehicle. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a professional-level clean, inside and out. This 8-piece kit includes everything from tire shine and air freshener to wash and wax, plus essential cleaning tools. Make detailing easy, effective, and affordable with this complete set. Achieve a mirror-like shine with our Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. Its special formula with Carnauba wax ensures a brilliant finish without scratching your car's surface. Tackle tough brake dust and road grime with our powerful wheel and tire cleaners. Then, give your tires a long-lasting, wet black look with our signature tire shine. Keep your car's interior looking its best with our versatile interior cleaner. It works wonders on dashboards, fabrics, carpets, and even delicate tech screens. Protect your car's finish from fading and aging with our UV protectant spray. Plus, our ammonia-free glass cleaner leaves windows and mirrors crystal clear. What we like. If you're a car enthusiast who loves to keep their vehicle looking its best from top to bottom, this comprehensive kit is ideal. It provides everything you need for both exterior and interior detailing, ensuring a showroom shine. Choose this if you appreciate having all essential cleaning supplies readily available for a complete car care experience. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a basic car maintenance, like tire pressure gauge, jumper cables, and a first aid kit. The storage bag is compact and fits easily in the trunk, keeping everything organized. The jumper cables are heavy-duty and seem reliable for jump-starting a car. Number 2. Lusso Gear Spill-Proof Car Trash Can, Gray, Round. Keep your car neat and organized with this spacious car trash can. It's perfect for managing trash, storing small items, and even adding extra space with its handy pockets. This car trash can is constructed from tough, waterproof Oxford material, ensuring it's easy to clean and incredibly durable. The flip-top lid effectively hides trash and contains odors, maintaining a fresh environment inside your vehicle. Featuring a removable leak-proof liner, managing spills becomes effortless. You can also use the integrated hooks to secure extra disposable bags for an added layer of protection against messes. This large 2.5-gallon car garbage can is an essential companion for any long drive. Its extra mesh pockets and a big front zipper pocket offer practical storage solutions for everyone in the car. Experience the difference with our car trash bin, thoughtfully designed for both front and back seats. It's a favorite among truck accessories and a great addition for your car organization needs. What we like. For anyone who frequently travels or has a busy family, keeping the car tidy is a constant battle. This product offers a practical solution by providing a dedicated, leak-proof space for trash and even extra storage for small items. If you're looking for a way to manage car messes on the go and keep your vehicle organized, especially during road trips, this is a must-have. What people say. The kit is very comprehensive and includes all the necessary tools for basic car maintenance. The quality of the tools is surprisingly good for the price, they feel durable and well-made. The compact carrying case makes it easy to store in the trunk or glove compartment. Number 1. Chemical Guys OG Clay Bar and Luber Kit. Introducing the OG Clay Bar and Luber Kit from Chemical Guys. This essential tool is designed to lift away bonded grime, overspray, and fallout from your vehicle's surfaces. Safely eliminate embedded dirt, brake dust, and industrial fallout with this light to medium-duty clay bar. It works on paint, glass, and metal to restore a perfectly smooth finish. Prepare your vehicle's surface for superior shine and protection. This kit effectively removes contaminants, making it ideal before applying wax, sealant, or ceramic coatings. Our detailing clay bar is safe for use on clear coat, single-stage paint, glass, polished metals, and chrome. It delivers professional results on all vehicle colors and finishes. Achieve a flawless, glass-like finish in minutes. Simply spray the lubricant, glide the clay bar gently to lift dirt, and wipe clean for a smooth surface. This automotive clay bar kit is a must-have for car lovers and professional detailers. It's the perfect surface prep tool for achieving a flawless base before polishing or waxing. What we like. If you're serious about achieving a perfect paint finish and preparing your car for waxing or coatings, this kit is essential. It effectively removes stubborn contaminants that washing alone can't handle, leaving your car's surface incredibly smooth. You should consider this if you're a detailing enthusiast who wants to take their car's shine and protection to the next level. What people say. The car kit includes a comprehensive set of tools for basic maintenance and emergency repairs, making it a practical addition for any driver. Its compact and organized design ensures that all the components are easily accessible and stored neatly in the trunk without taking up too much space. The kit features a high-quality tire pressure gauge that provides accurate readings, essential for maintaining optimal tire performance and safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.